here's a catch weight item, and it's telling me that I'm, obviously selling this by the case, and there's typically 30 pounds to the case. So let's learn a little bit more about this item. So what happens is this is a catch weight item, and this is what is very complicated within our industry. So, first I'm going to bring up this item, and, I can decide, depending on what it is, where is it? Most of these things are going to be active, but ultimately maybe you're going to run out of this, or you're no longer going to carry it. Whatever you want to do, you've got some flexibility on how you do that. This is a really important part. This is called the item class. This is where you guys set up your hierarchies. So this is a sample hierarchy of main branches, okay, beverages, cheeses, chicken, meats. Okay, and then here you can see I've broken it down to a different level. I'd probably take it down to a third level, or having one before this would be fresh versus frozen to set up that. So you can set up as many of these types of hierarchies that you want. And what's nice is if you provide any logic as to how this item posts to your general ledger or how pricing works, you can do that on any of these levels, and it'll find its way down to the levels underneath it. So a real time saver to be able to do that. And as you can see, we've got this. Here's your accounting type of information. We won't spend a lot of time here. However, we will talk about being able to track things. Are we going to track it by lot number? When are we going to assign that lot number? Is it when we actually receive it from the vendor, or is it when we're going to ship it out the door? Some of my clients don't want to deal with it until it's shipped out the door. Again, really your choice as to how you want to do it. Other people clearly are always interested in expiration dates. So you'd want to be able to pull from the date that's going to expire most currently. All right, so standard types of things that you'd want to be able to do. Here, what I've done is I've said, I've got a package, and there's a 5-pound package. So I can sell it as each, or I can sell it as a case, because within my case, there are 6 packages. That's how we got to that 30-pound number. What we also allow you to do is to be able to put an upcharge on if you're breaking a case, because if you want to break the case, your client should have to pay a little bit extra for it. Again, totally up to you as to how you want to do that. Here we've identified it as a catch weight. Some people want to be able to, when they're entering in what they're putting in 10, 15, 20 cases, they want to be able to put in the catch weight related to each case. Other people are just very content to say, nope, I loaded 5 cases, that's 150 pounds. It came out to 151.36. So again, that's really your choice. So those are some of the things that we want you to do.